cleaned the multi-port pool valve and now we can't get the pin to go back in. The hole is too low. We've assembled and disassembled several times. What are we doing wrong?
It's a pain in the butt. So what I do is I take that top part of the multi-port along with the spider gasket with the stem, and literally what I do is I put it on the ground. If you have a setup where the spider gasket is indeed on the underside, then you want it to be something soft so that you're not gonna chew it up or anything. But I put both my knees on the edges and I push it down. The spring compresses enough so that the handle will be in line with the pin, and then I slip it in. You get it in about halfway, and then you can knock it in the rest with a mallet, or lining a punch to it and hitting that with a hammer. But yeah, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt, and there's actually specialty tools that I've seen at trade shows that some pool companies will buy, and they mount it on the back of their van where they can compress them. You can do something similar with a couple of C-clamps to compress the whole thing, but I've just always found that just by getting my knees on it and pushing it down enough, I can get it to work, and so that's what I do.